Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today I'm at a home in McLean, Virginia. Yesterday we installed a new roof on this home. The color is Barkwood and the type of shingles is GAF Timberline HDZ. Now where you see this black line going across the fascia board, that's an ice and water shield. And that's very important because we're going to be installing new gutters on this home. And with the ice and water shield behind the gutter, it's going to seal the screws that's holding the gutters into place. So even if we had a very heavy melting snow and ice dam, this home will not leak. And also the ice and water shield covers the gap between the wood fascia board and the plywood. I'm going to go up on the roof. I'll show you exactly what everything looks like. You can see we stapled the ice and water shield into place, and this is the aluminum drip edge here. Yeah, we took off the glass cover on all the skylights and we installed all new flashings on the sides and also the front and back. Okay, let's just go up here now. Okay, these pipe collars, most people use an aluminum pipe flange, and after about 10 years, the rubber collar deteriorates and then the home has a leak. But these pipe collars come with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. So that's a 1-inch pipe, 1 inch, and then a 3-inch over here. We also installed a snow and country ridge vent system. We removed and replaced all the flashing next to the chimney. Okay, let's see what we got up here. Okay, this is all EPDM. It's all 100% adhered. And underneath it, there's a recovery board. And these are the fasteners and plates that hold the recovery board into place. Yeah, everything came out absolutely perfect. We installed new flashing here next to the chimney. Also a new collar over here. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement, roof repair, gutters and downspouts in McLean and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.